Gonna play the music? What's up, everybody? What's up, Denny?
What's up, Steven? How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well. Wow, what volatility. Wild, 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 wild. Unbelievable. That's one word I can say is wild. Unbelievable. Wow. Unbelievable. All right. Just insane volatility. Down. I mean, I counted the moves here. 930 S&P's rally from 67.26 to 74, from 74 down to 14, 14 to 67 to set up the 15-minute bear flag, and then from 67 all the way down to 62. Good Lord. You talk about this is over. I mean, this has got to be over 300 points just on the S&P. I even count the NASDAQ here today. Unbelievable volatility. Unbelievable. Don't worry, Denny. We'll get him back, good buddy. Come on.
Yeah, we'll get. Can we get your chart share?
Yep. Aaron, can you share my chart screen? I don't know what he did. Oh, man. Gold just got caboose just now there. Let's see. Let's see here.
Wins are still bigger than the losses.
What's that?
I said wins are bigger than the losses, so it's all.
Yeah, listen, blank happens. You know, you got caught with a news event. I don't know what Trump said it, but they. Where were you? Where were you long? Were you long? Nasdaq, S&Ps?
NASDAQ.
It dropped about 40 though, right? You just do single lot entry? Yeah, but you bought one price. You try to try to scale, like try to determine how many contracts you want to trade and scale into the range. Single lot entries are really difficult. You know, Denny.
Yeah. So, are you talking about like entering?
Yeah, you don't do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you have to determine, like, let's say, for example, I call a range, right? Like I'll do like a 30, 35, 40 point range on the NASDAQ, right? So that means people should go in like 3 or 4 times in that range and do like every 9 or every 10, 11 points. They scale in. So you determine how many contracts you want to buy or sell, right? So basically, the scaling in and the scaling out process really will change your life. I'm just telling you. What you're doing, single lot entry, that's meaning just one price and putting a stop order in. So determine like how many contracts you want to trade. So let's say you want to do 10 micros, right? And let's say argument's sake, where you start buying the NASDAQ, what price? 649 38. So let's say you bought 38s, and then it drops It dropped. Well, it dropped down to 64. Right, I see it on the pencil down. Okay,
Yeah.
but then it pushed up. Okay, so let's say you probably would have gotten stopped out. But let's just say you bought 38, then you buy 28, you buy 18, you buy 08s, you're out. But then if you bought it again, or then if you shorted it again here on the bear flag at 1925, when it traded up to 95 or 90, and then it got cabooshed all the way down about 60 points. So you try to determine how many contracts you want to buy or sell. Let's say even if it's five micros or 8 micros, right? Try to go every 10 or 11 points on the NASDAQ. That to me is the best way to scale in and scale out.
What can we do with that then? Is
Aaron, can you share my screen, Aaron, please? I don't know why you can't see my screen here. I don't know what's going on. All right, there it is. Can you see it now? Yeah. All right. I take a short here on the NASDAQ here. If they get up to the 98 all the way up. Hold on, what's Aaron saying here? Yeah. Okay, you got it now, Denny? There we go. All right. This gold's
it's
been,
not showing up on my end?
it's not showing up?
No.
All right, I'll tell him. He's saying he did. Okay. All right, let's see here. This gold just got cabooshed. How is everybody today? How did everybody do today? How's everybody doing today here? Wow, it was pretty crazy. I did the Sunday night edition here. Oh, it was wild yesterday, boy. Woo! Down 100, then up 150, 160. I think this Nasdaq's a short up here. 05 up to like, see if I saw like 05 to 40, you start scaling like 05, 15, 25, like that kind of thing, Aaron. You know, I mean, Denny, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Gold just got cabooshed. I couldn't even say short gold that fast. What did Papa Trump say? Anybody, can you see the screen now? There it is.
Yeah.
What did Papa Trump say? Anything?
As far as I'm but he also talked about tax.
Look, see the Nasdaq? Nasdaq just looked to cover shorts below 02. So let's just say you sold the Nasdaq. I just sold S&Ps here, 99. Let's say you sold the Nasdaq at 08. Look at it drop. Look at it drop, Denny. See?
Yeah, I do see it.
There you go. S&Ps just dropped 4. Anybody get the short there? There you go. Papa Trump? Why not? What's wrong with calling him Papa Trump? President Trump? I don't get what's wrong with saying Papa Trump. I don't understand. A nice little short scalp there on the NASDAQ. Wow, what a gold short just now. Geez, you just caught the gold short for 2,000? That was beautiful, that gold short. Damn. When I walked in, I saw that gold. How about this gold short, really? I was telling Arton earlier today. It pushed up here. You got this short right here. Beautiful short. You guys want to see a great pattern? Look at that. Look at that. Right into that negative MACD on the 30. If you guys want to see a great pattern, this is one of the best patterns of the day. When the 15-minute time frame reverses to sell on the GLDs today, right here, look at this, right? It correlated with the 30 and the 60. This is the first short right here at 12:30 off the 5-minute time frame on the 15. And look at the 30-minute. The 30 and the 15 both set up beautifully here. Now you want to see a Picasso? I'm going to show you an absolute Picasso trade. Okay? I'm going to show you an absolute Picasso trade. This is the short we called on the gold around, what time was that? Oh yeah, right here. We called this short on the gold at 220. This is when the 5-minute time frame reversed to sell, and it correlated with its 15, 30, and 60. We called this short here on the gold above 64.5. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you I expected a 50 handle drop. I did not. I expected maybe 4 to 8 because it was late in the afternoon. Look at this drop in gold, 66.5. Look at this. Is this amazing? This is 50 points down, 60 points down on the gold. 60 points down on the gold. Absolutely cabooshed. Absolutely cabooshed. So anyway, great patterns here today on the gold. Great patterns here. Hello everybody, Johnny Z. How are you? Stephen Moore. Anybody new here? It's Christmas in November. I'll get you a couple accounts tomorrow, Denny. Don't worry.
Steven,
Yes, sir.
I'm messaging Aaron right now, but your link that he sent me last week, a lot of people in chat are saying like it's not working.
Okay. I guess he's hearing it. For the free trial?
Yeah.
I don't know, Aaron. I don't know if he's hearing that.
All right. Come here. My dog, Steven.
Let me see your dog.
Come here.
What a nice drop on that, right? Fiber Spice God.
Steven.
Let me see. Oh my God! Look at that, the spoiled one. Beautiful, beautiful. God bless, beautiful. What's her name? His name?
Snowy.
Snowy.
Yes. So when we first got her, she was like she has now.
Hendrix would have a new toy. Absolutely. You know, guys, we've been doing this now almost 5.5 months, man. We should be getting 1,000 people watching this show almost every night. I mean, Sunday night I had about 350 just on Sunday, and it was only for an hour and a half, but it was wild yesterday. Oof. The buy divergences right on the opening. I mean, combined between my YouTube and my Fund the Futures YouTube, we've had about up to 800 last week. So come on, let's try to get this up to 1,000. So I mean, it is slow here, but we'll see. It should pick up. It should pick up. Look at this. Everyone go to Launch Point Trading Investment live stream. We're about to hit 500 winning trades in a row. Give me a break. Ban him, Denny. Binary. Binary. Out.
Chat, you know not to be talking
Ban them. I'm tired of these. I'm just
Gone.
tired of these people once and for all. All right. Boy, oh boy. Even gold's quiet here tonight. This NASDAQ. This NASDAQ gets up to the 28 up to the 48.50 range. I probably look to show me short some S&Ps up here. What the hell? Here. Yeah, so I offer a 5-day free trial. I don't know what Aaron never told me what's going on here. Yeah, we're offering a 5-day free trial to sktrading.live, so take advantage of it. Papa Trump talking? Somebody, S&P's rally like 30 off the lows there. Gotta push down here. Nasdaq should drop here. There you go. Everybody's been pretty good lately, I gotta tell you. I was gonna say 25. It's funny you said that number.
We'll do 20 on spin.
Okay, that's fair. I think that's pretty good. I think people have been really good lately.
Build the form. I'll be back.
Yep. Gotta be shorting this NASDAQ here. Look at this. 15's turning up, 30's. Let's see if this NASDAQ can drop 28 to 38 range. I'll look to cover any shorts here. How's everybody tonight? How's everybody doing? Bitcoin hit that 91,000 level. Unbelievable, Bitcoin. How about the S&Ps? I'd short these S&Ps here. Let's see, you go 06 up to like 11. 06 and a half up to 11 and a half. If this NASDAQ can get a push down here. I think gold's going down. I think gold's going down. I think the whole market, Bitcoin to 50,000 bear. I agree. I think Bitcoin's going lower. If you saw the chart, if you saw that you could buy this NASDAQ cover the short between the 28 and 42, wherever you're short. If you see the chart on the NASDAQ, okay, compared to Bitcoin, 90% of the time the Qs follow Bitcoin. Just to let everybody know that, right? Andrew, you see that? You caught the long last bear market. You mean the last bull market, not bear market. There goes the gold. There goes the S&Ps dropping. NASDAQ dropping. Should make a higher low on the double blue here. Let's see if this NASDAQ can pull in. You want to take a long on the NASDAQ on the double blue 5-minute time frame. You can waiting for Bitcoin to go to 82,000. I think Bitcoin can go a little lower than that, to be honest with you. All right, very quiet here on gold. Look at the NASDAQ drop here. 28 to 42 range. If you're short, look to cover shorts there. Think gold is going to 50, then drop? I don't know. You got a bear. Let me look at the bigger time frames here on gold here. You got the 30-minute here. Geez, NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Does gold have any buy divergence? I'm looking right now. Not really. You got the ADX rising here. Got to be careful here. If the 60-minute, I mean, this was the bear flag right here. Look at that S&Ps drop. Oh my God, NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Coach Fred, good job. Can we get 1,000 views here before I? Come on, Denny, you get that short there in the NASDAQ, Denny. And you should come. Denny. We should do this like a week. You should come and hang out with me for a week. So what? Get back in the game. The saddle. Singles and doubles.
I don't want to risk it.
Yeah, right. So let's just say, for example, let's just say you sold NASDAQ at 30 and then 40 and it just dropped to 29. You cover. Boom. Right? You just take a little trade there. You know?
Yeah.
What does kabooshed mean? Oh my God.
It means kaboosh.
It means a drop. Can somebody explain what kaboosh means to Freck? I've never asked how anybody asked me that. NASDAQ pushing up to new highs. NASDAQ at short NASDAQ again 55 up to 85. So I'm going 30 wide on the NASDAQ. Then you go every 10, every 9, every 10, right, Denny? Chop shop. Oh yeah, but who cares? I'm in a buy at NASDAQ. Jip Smith. Okay, I like to get the pullback for the long. Anybody new here? Anybody new here? I have a 5-day free trial. There goes the gold dropping. This gold, oh my God, this gold's going to drop. NASDAQ just dropped 15. If you're short, be careful, Jip Smith. If you're short the NASDAQ, just look to cover below 45. Andrew, you get short again on the S&Ps above 07. The high's 07 3/4, just dropped 3. Kaboosh means lower. It does not mean lower your stop. It means kaboosh means a drop. It doesn't mean lower your stop. Wow. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Jeff Smith, I hope you kick your longs and reverse to go short. Jeff Smith. Let's go. Look at it drop. Arton, you get the short. Gold just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. Andrew, get back in there. Look at this NASDAQ. 44. Jesus, on the gold. How are we trading today? I don't know. Just scalping some shorts here on the S&P. Kaboosh means yell at Arton. I don't yell at Arton. No, I don't yell at Arton. I yell at people for not putting in stop orders, for over trading, for revenge trading. Not kibosh. Flush the toilet. Kaboosh is Kabooshed. I'm entered 2481, but I'm about to close. Okay, I don't know. I mean, that was a nice drop there. 20 points. All right. S&P's just dropped 4. NASDAQ just dropped 24. 24, sorry. That was the Picasso. Absolutely costs nothing to pay attention. I agree. Talking about my fund of futures hosting an event. Got to do an event. Look at this. Look at the NASDAQ. Oh my God, 30, Chip Smith. I call it short and you're still long. Ah! S&P's down 6. Andrew, you should have re-entered. I don't know why you didn't go back in, Andrew. You have sells on the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Hey, Arton. Hey, Arton. S&P's, NASDAQ just dropped 30. S&P's just dropped 6. Great short. You get them? You should be up at least $200-300. If you're not, I'm going to kill myself. No, come on. Enough is enough. Let's go. Very, very. Look at them drop. S&P's. Oh my God, 40 points, Chip Smith. Anybody short the NASDAQ there? Wow, what a short. What does kaboom mean? Kaboom means up. Oh my God. Can we have a definition list here? NASDAQ, S&P's just dropped 7. Anybody get the short on the NASDAQ or S&P's? Gold just dropped 8. All 3. NASDAQ long Stoon? I don't know yet. I gotta watch. If the NASDAQ maybe gets down to the 05, you go long 70. I'd go long like 75 to 05. Oh my God. S&P's down 8. As NASDAQ just got absolutely kabooshed. Derek, your S&P. Jeff Smith, I don't understand you, Jeff Smith. No, it's not an ICT name. Come on, Term. What are you, crazy? Oh my God, I agree. Oh my God. Bob Matheson, tell me you got that short, Bobby Matheson. Come on, good buddy. Look at it. Just you just watched the NASDAQ just drop like that. Just 57, drop 50 points. Jip Smith. Am I down?
Alive, Steven.
Okay. Anybody who's here today, you should go to the go to my Funded Futures YouTube or SK Trading YouTube, and click on the pin link for the 5-day free trial and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. There you go. What a short on the S&Ps. Oh my God. NASDAQ missed it. I was 08, 005. Damn it. All right. I would cancel the buy, and then this is a beautiful bull flag. You're going to get one more push up here on the NASDAQ. Wow. Do you see that long there? All right. Let's just see if we get another push. I don't know anything about this. Corey trades. Long on the S&P. I would, if it goes a little lower, probably like 99.5 if it gets down there. Oh man, Nasdaq just ran 20. Damn it. I missed it by 3. Jesus. Again, if you're on YouTube, please go to the pinned link for the 5-day free trial. If you want a 5-day free trial to sktrading.live, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. You get a 5-day free trial to sktrading.live. I stream every day from 9 to 4. 9 to 4. Man, gold's really quiet here, Arton. Wow. You caught the Nasdaq short? Kaboom. Kaboom is up. All right. Hello, brother. How are you? ICT-NGL. How are you? Very quiet. What a short on the Nasdaq. Very quiet. Wow. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Anybody new? Anybody new? Anybody new? Oh. You want to see some great volatility? Look at this. Look at this pattern today. You guys want to see something great? I'll put the 30 here and I'll put the 60 here. You guys want to see a monster sell divergence here? What is this today? Look at this. Look at this pattern today. Look at this. Can you tell me what lunatic is buying the market right here? Look at this. 25,250. Look at this. You're pushing up here into a negative. You're making new highs. And the MACDs are non-confirming here. Number one, on the 60-minute time frame. You're making new highs, right? This is from 10 o'clock this morning. I couldn't say short fast enough. Okay? Everybody see this? You're making new highs. You have 2 sell divergences here. Can everybody tell me what they are? Anybody? Can anybody tell me what they are? Indicator 4 is my proprietary algorithm. Okay? Can everybody tell me what this is? This goal is going to reverse here. Go lower. Anybody know? The 1215 shorts were amazing, but I'll show you the 150 short that even makes this look stupid. Okay? First of all, you have 2 sell divergences here. One, you're making new highs, okay, and the MACDs on the 30 and the 60 could not confirm the high. That's one. Okay? Number two, okay, you're making new highs and the price action is pushing up into a negative MACD, blue over yellow, on both the 60 and on the 30. Okay? Oh my God, gold just dropped 10. Okay? That's one. If you want to look at the 1215 pattern, look at the Russell. The Russell, negative on both the 60 and on the 30. Everything's set up at 1215. Look at this short. 1215, 1230. 15 reverses to sell. Look at everything set up for the short. There goes the S&P. There goes the Nasdaq. Andrew, raise your stops on the long on the double blue. Nasdaq just ran 30. Nasdaq just ran 30. There you go. Sounds like a cow giving birth. This is textbook long. I was calling the long. Kaboom, Artan. I hope you know Artan is from the same pattern from yesterday. Not a dead cow. Okay, now, so this pattern today at 12, 12:15, 12:30, NVIDIA, kabooshed. Right here, 12:15. Where is it? That's the 15. Right here. Okay, NVIDIA. Look at Coinbase, finished. Coin, 12:15, right here. Look at the oscillator. And this oscillator is even worse. Okay, you have the ADX rising on the 60 and the 15 and the 30. Okay, you're getting overbought into a negative MACD, big selling pressure, rising ADX on the 15. Coinbase 269, unbelievable, down 9 points in 40 minutes. Down 9 points in 40 minutes. Anybody get the long? Good job, Andrew. 03. Good job. Nice 4 points on the S&P. Okay? And then this is the big pattern for the day. Ready? When the 30-minute time frame, you can see the 60s negative, you can see the 15s negative on indicator 4. Okay? But watch this pattern, everybody. When the 30-minute reverses to sell, you got a correlation with the 15 and the 60-minute time frame. Everybody know what the next strategy is to do? Anybody? Come in, Manila. You short the first bounce. Here it is. So you can see the 30 reverses to sell at 1. At 150, the 5-minute time frame. Okay? No, you cannot. Okay? I wouldn't. Okay? The 5-minute time frame gets overbought. Okay? Now you can see the price was 669.91 and it closed at 669.12, so it dropped about 70 something cents. So, but when it traded to 669.91, this oscillator was in the 80-90 range, right? And so look at this, S&Ps were trading 67.36. And they got absolutely caboose. Look at this, 66.91, boom. Dropped over 43 points on the S&P. 43 in 5, 10, 15, 20. You want to see what the NASDAQ did? NASDAQ on that pattern at 150 today, right here. NASDAQ 25,050, kabooshed. Almost 225 points. That's a set strategy. Okay? All right? Come on, can we get this stream up to 500? A lot of work that goes into this. Come on. NASDAQ just ran 30. S&Ps just ran 5 on that. That's a little bullish pattern. You can see that when the MACDs are positive like this, right, and you see the 30-minute turning up, this was the long I was trying to get on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ got down to 08 and then rallied 30. NASDAQ's struggling hard. I agree. How's the night going, Juice Bag? All right. Quiet. Gold's very quiet. Very unusual for gold. Gold had I think gold really, Nasdaq looking at 25,000. Oh, we'll see. We'll see if it gets. Right now, the Nasdaq's negative on the 30 and 60-minute time frame on indicator 4. Okay, but if we take out this 24,959, then the next strategy is, what's the next strategy? You look to buy pullbacks on the 5, and here's the big number, the 60-minute, 25,031. That's 100 up from here. So, what about the Tokyo Open, Julian? What about it? 10 o'clock? 9 o'clock? I called a range here to buy the Nasdaq at 05. It got down to 08. It didn't get there. You got to wait now. You got to wait for a better. You got to wait. $34.51 and 4,900 for gold. 4,900 for gold. Whew. Right now, man. Okay, S&P's up 7, Nasdaq up 40. Nasdaq dropped 50 and ran 40. Gold just got cabooshed down 12. Do you think gold's going to 34.51 and then 4,900? That could be. I see that. That would be a gift, 3,400. You back up the truck there. I don't play that 50-day moving average. And if you look at the gold here, what's the Nasdaq? Just got up to 52. Just dropped 10. If you look at the gold here, you can see the gold type. See the gold's negative here on the 30-minute and on the 60. Big number here. If gold takes out this number right here, the 40.24, we're about 5 points away, then the 15 will reverse to sell and it'll correlate with the 30 and 60. Then we look for shorts for sure. Okay. I don't look at trend lines, Tory trade tan lines. I don't look at trend lines. Okay, up or down? I don't know. We'll see. Nasdaq's pushing up here. S&P trying to go positive on the 30 here. Very quiet. Denny's working on some giveaways. And again, anybody who wants to sign up for a 5-day free trial, please. The link is there. Denny, did you post a link in My Friend the Futures for a 5-day free trial?
I did, Stephen.
Thank you.
Yep.
There goes the S&P's making new highs. NASDAQ making new highs. Damn it. That was a beautiful. Andrew, good job, Andrew. Even though you made an S&P's up 8, NASDAQ up about, well, if it hits 50, it'll be 50. There's the link, everybody, for my 5-day free trial. This NASDAQ gets up, I'm thinking if this NASDAQ gets up to the 56, I go like maybe 58 to 88 range. I'd look to short it on the NASDAQ. S&P's trying to push up here. How's everybody doing tonight? Anybody new here tonight? If you're new, there's a 5-day free trial to SK Trading. So there it is. Please sign up. It's absolutely free. Free! Very, very quiet. I can't believe gold. Gold's doing absolutely nothing here. We got to smash the like buttons. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. S&P's making new highs here. Why? I have no idea. I take a scalp short 08 3/4 up to like 12 3/4, 13 on the S&P. They get up there. NASDAQ pushing up into the range. Again, I would switch to micros. See if you can get a little bit of a push here. All right, NASDAQ. If this NASDAQ can drop at least 10 to 14, 15 here. You could cover some NASDAQ below 51 if you're short. Here we go. Here we go. No volume, but look at them drop. S&P's dropping 2. NASDAQ just dropped 10. Gold is dead because gold carried everybody out today. S&P's kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 10. That's what I was looking for. Cancel offers. Boom. Nice little scalp, a little short there in the NASDAQ. Never seen gold do this, boy. It just dropped. Well, it did drop from 44 down to 29, though, so. Anybody short the NASDAQ? NASDAQ just dropped 10. NASDAQ just dropped here. Little scalp. You trade FX? No, I used to, but I could teach you. Again, shorting? No, not shorting. NASDAQ, Arton just dropped 14, 15 on the NASDAQ. S&P's, Andrew just dropped 2.5, 3. Love the volatility. I trade one Michael, stay in the game. Very hard for you to trade single lot entries. Hello, Jeff. Very hard for anybody to trade single lot entries to do one micro. You can't. It's impossible. You got the gold long? Be careful on the scalp. S&P's dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped 15. Be careful with this gold. Gold actually now is down 19 off the highs. S&Ps just got cabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Gold getting cabooshed here. Anybody get the short on the S&P or NASDAQ? You get the short up there?
NASDAQ.
S&Ps?
S&Ps, yes.
Okay.
A little bit, a tiny bit.
Okay.
So,
Well, I know you don't trade the NASDAQ, so I meant
yeah,
to...
yes.
Okay. NASDAQ ladder very thin. Green Otter. Again, if you're new, please click on the pinned link above and you can get a 5-day free trial to SK Trading. Okay, look at this gold down 20. Gold's down 20 since the beginning. Again, it was all off the 15-minute time frame here. When the 15 got... Why can't I type? Oh, it's right here. That's why. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, you can see the gold right here, 44, when I walked in. 8:15. The minute I said it, it already had dropped. Look at this. S&P's down 4, NASDAQ down 20. Gold making new lows. Artan, are you short, Artan? Good job, Robert Guerrero. Absolutely, it works for FX. Pound dollar, dollar yen, euro dollar. Zachary, you're late to the dance, Zachary. Gold just got absolutely cabooshed down 21. Zachary. Looks like the NASDAQ wants to pull back. Yeah, that's true. It does. ES gonna dump? I don't know. I'm not so certain here. How about this Bitcoin? Oof. Bitcoin cabooshed. Bitcoin hit 91,000 from 26, so you're talking a drop of 35,000 points in Bitcoin. Oh my God, look at this gold. Now, if these 15-minute time frames reverse to sell here, you're going to correlate with the 30 and the 60. And then you look to short the bounces on the 5-minute. Oh my God, this gold. Our time, remember when I can't believe this gold was trading 54 at 7 o'clock. Very quiet. Zachary, you made 2,700 on 5 accounts today? That's unbelievable.
What?
He's trading while watching the Knicks game. I love it. All right. Gold's gonna get cabooshed. This gold can go to 15. Who looks at trend lines? That's what I said.
One of the traders.
Thank you, Gabriel Trades. Yeah, there's a link above for a 5-day free trial for SK Trading. Man, the volatility was absolutely insane today. I love it. I'm exhausted. You're in a $7 loss and what? There you go, Martin. 1,600 on 5 My Fund the Futures accounts. That's what I'm talking about, Martin. Get in there.
Good job, Martin. Good job.
I'm just reading like stuff. I don't understand what people are even saying. Look, oh, the mascot, the boss of all bosses. How come she's still up? Isn't it late?
This is my third kid.
No way.
Right? She's in.
I think if you want to take a scalp, this gold's going to set. Look at this gold negative MACD here.
Okay.
Gold just rallied 4. Did she really?
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. God bless. You got 2 points on the gold long? No candles. Switch to gold, more action. I agree. All right. All right. This is really quiet. This is brutal. That's a good analysis, Zachary. That's a great analysis, Zachary. Great analysis that you're going to change up your scaling in and scaling out based upon the day and the night session. Great job. She says kabooshed. That's going to be our second word. Her first word's mom. Her second word is going to be kabooshed. Right? Let's go, everybody. Let's get this up to 900. Gold just rallied 5. Gold's going right back. Gold's going down to 15. Anybody new here? Anybody new? I'll get her a Caboose t-shirt. Of course. Anything for Denny. Denny's going to be down here in about a month. Hope I can run into him.
Steven, we think that it's going to be the 19th through the
December 19th through the 23rd. You're going to be in Orlando, right?
Yes, sir.
Uncle Stevie's got to come and visit. I'm making this right. Write this down. December 19th, 23rd. Denny, you're going to be in the Disney park?
Disney or Universal. We get the military passes.
Does Disney honor that? You know.
Disney is.
Wow. Look at this gold. If this gold gets down to the 0880, 1580, I'd take a scalp long. I told you this gold's going to 15. Danny Trade, if you're in Orlando, come visit Uncle Stevie. Let's go. Get in here. All right. Danny, what time are you doing the giveaways? Oh, geez, look at them. Got it. That's good. That's beautiful. We got to share this link there. We got to get to 500, 600, 700 tonight. I know it's Monday. People are.
Hey, I think we can.
All right. S&P gold just rallied. All right. I would cancel the gold just rallied like two, maybe two here, three. All right. Never got down to that 15. Very quiet here. No running to the bathroom. Run into the bathroom. I don't know. I'd like to know when we're going to get a kabooming for the kabooshin. I like that. Zachary, I can't wait to see you in the, next week? Zach? NASDAQ just got kaboosh 30. S&Ps just dropped 6. The link is there for the 5-day free trial. Rough. Yes, my Hendrix. Steven, where's Hendrix tonight? He's home. Hey, Jess. Oh, he's so good, my boy. He's so good, my boo-boo. Maybe I'll bring him tomorrow. You want me to bring him tomorrow night, Jess? I'll bring him tomorrow night. Want me to bring him tomorrow night? Gold just rallied 4. Be careful here. This 15 reverses these negative MACDs. The next bounces, I would look for shorts. How to enter? It's free. Oh, how to enter the stream?
It's already closed, everybody. I gave you.
Am I able to learn the setups in the free trial? Well, it depends how much time. I give you 5 days. It depends on your learning curve. Oh, he's such a good boy, my Hendrix. Hendrix dropped a major bicycle. That's a little inside joke. I can't say it here, but yes.
Hey, Ethan, can you take care of that in the chat?
Wow, really, really quiet here. Gold just rallied 5. Still the bouncing gold? Yeah, I would. Yeah, but it's got to go get a little rally here. Look at this NASDAQ drop 30. Oh, my Lord. What
For
happened?
everybody who is one, it was I posted over 200 people already signed up for it.
I take a scalp short on this gold if it gets up to the 28 and a half. 28 and a half up to like the 34 and a half range. See here. That negative MACD there. NASDAQ just got absolutely caboose, 35. Jeff Smith, you still long, Jeff Smith? Short some gold here. Tried to buy that gold at 19, 15, got down to 19. Unbelievable that gold rally like that. Damn it. I tried to buy that gold because when you saw the push down here, right here, the MACDs couldn't confirm the low on the 15, but all right, let's see if you get a drop here. S&P and NASDAQ going to get one more push up here. I think this gold, look to cover gold anywhere between the 28 and a half and 30 range if you're short. Again, the reason why I was calling the long on the gold here, you can see the gold on the push down to 19. The MACDs cannot confirm the low here. Damn it, S&P's rallied right back up. S&P's just ran 4, NASDAQ just ran 20. Oh my God, S&P futures. All right, S&P's reversed to buy on the 30-minute time frame. So this push down just now, the 30-minute reverse to buy, correlating with the 15. Right here, 2030. Get a push down here. He's just dropped here. NASDAQ. You know how to do you know how to what do you call it here? Short. Okay. Oh my God, S&P just dropped 4, 5. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Gold, lower your stops on the gold. And lower your stops. Yes. What happened? I don't see anything. I can't. I don't know my reading.
No, it's because my amazing moderator is taking them out.
What are they saying?
Someone was like, they were like,
You or me?
no, me. They said that about me.
You know, I gotta tell you, man. Really, just kick him out, man.
I get it. They don't like the fact that I take the people who are actually watching as my
I agree. I mean, you know, do you guys understand what my fund of futures has done here? I mean, they've given away over 700 free 50K or scale accounts. I've given away over 500. We're doing this at night, okay? And, you know, Denny's at home. You can see he's got his daughter there. And you can see how we're working here. We're trying to help you. We're trying to make you pass. We're trying to help you make money. And, you know, Denny's, forget it, military. I mean, there's nothing, I would jump in front of a bus for this guy, you know? Yeah, see, look at that. Gone. Look at that. Why they see that? Jesus. Yeah, so I trade the New York session. Absolutely. And I have a free.
should definitely go and watch it.
Aaron, can you, my Fund of Futures YouTube is frozen. Can you refresh it for me? I can't see the people, how many people are, the watching now is frozen.
Haters or
There's so many people in the world, man. You don't even, Jesus, unbelievable. This goal's gonna get kabooshed. To buy that gold down there. Jesus. All right, thank you, Mikey Jacques. Bitcoin's dropping. Yeah, Bitcoin's below almost 91,000. This Bitcoin is, I'm telling you right now, this Bitcoin's telling you something. Mark my words, this Bitcoin could kaboosh the market. I agree. Would I buy NASDAQ here? No. The 15s are rolling over. No. I think my Fund of Futures is a great firm for beginners. But here's the one thing, though, you know, about buying, right? I think what you need to do is you need to learn the methodology first. And that's why I have my live stream every day from 9 to 4. That's why I'm giving a 5-day free trial. Okay? A 5-day free trial. Look at it, gold. Look at this gold drop. If you reshorted it, look to cover below 32, 20, 30 to 32. Bitcoin 20,000, please. Oh my God, you'll see people. Oh my God. Aaron, can you refresh the My Friend the Future's YouTube? It's stuck at 360. Gold just dropped 3. I hope you short the gold again.
Oh,
Why? Why? You got the other one?
it's fast. The first one was
This gold's gonna drop
the
here.
same thing where I'm just like,
S&P's just dropped here. Nasdaq just dropped. Gold just got kaboosh $4. Oh my God! Look at this gold. Really, there should be nobody really talking crap here. All right, Nasdaq, S&Ps, gold. Look at the gold. Anybody still short the gold? I would lower your stops. Oh my God. Jeff, you get short the gold up there, Jeff? Just drop. Hope you caught something on that. Wait till these fives roll over. Good job, Jeffrey. All right. Oh my God, I'm exhausted. So, Denny, you want to do 10 now, Denny?
Yeah, yeah. We can do 10 right. Do 12 right now.
What a very quiet day here. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Frank from UK.
Hey, Frank from UK. Congratulations, Frank from the UK.
By the way, everyone, these accounts tonight are Scale Flex. Woo!
Scale Flex.
Scale. Where's there he is, Frank from.
Nasdaq, S&Ps and Nasdaq. I was about to say buy the Nasdaq. Damn it. Double blue here.
Hey, congrats.
There you go. There you go. Great long, Zach. There you
I
go.
will look to show you.
The link, Sinister M3, the link for my Fund the Future sign up, that was about 30 minutes ago. There's a certain window to sign up. Jada J can barely hear us. I don't know why. This goal's drop another 6.
Jip Smith, are you here?
Just with
Smith.
one again?
Chips.
Yeah, just with just one. There you go.
Just went.
Last week. Look at this gold, down 5. I'd lower your stops.
I have the list right here.
Maybe a week or two ago.
Yeah, maybe. Hey, I saw you, Jip Smith. At 564.
Wow, that gold just got kabooshed. That was beautiful. Gold just dropped 6. Wow. NASDAQ just exploded. Good job, Zachary, on that.
Going once.
S&P just ran 5. That was a beautiful pullback on the 5 after the 30 reversed. Scott Flat Andrew on that long. Good job.
Corp trades.
There you go. Oh my God, look at this gold. So if you know that the 30 and 60-minute time frames are still in sell mode and you see that push up into the negative MACD, you can reshort it again. Yeah. Always is 5. Wow. Anybody still short the gold? Wow.
Cream. Hey, I see you.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Alfie 95. Alfie 95.
What is the target for gold? I'd be flat. Gold just dropped $7 just now.
First person first. Please. Hey, game trade. I see.
There you go. There you go.
What?
There you go.
I see his name all the time.
My bad, dude.
Take care, Arton. Have a great night. Good job, Arton. Just scalping away, Archon 1100. Good job. All right. Very quiet here. Very nice. Gold, very, very quiet. NASDAQ seems like it's running into a brick wall. These 15s look like they want to roll over. Crude Picasso tonight. Let's see here. Well, the ADXs are rising. Be careful. Very hard to trade crude on the overnight. ICT, congratulations. There you go. Yeah. Jonathan Bakachelian, are you Armenian? Wow, it's already 9:30. Good Lord. I'll tell you, today's volatility, I'm exhausted. Target for the NASDAQ, I didn't do anything on the NASDAQ. I called nothing but, I think I called three shorts, and I tried to call long. I missed it by 3. Very quiet. All right, we're going to do another bunch of giveaways here. Again, if anybody is new and you want to sign up for my 5-day free trial, okay, it's pinned, and Denny has sent it. It's pinned on SK Trading, and it's also in the My Funded Futures chat as well. Okay? Late, Bob Barker, you're late to the game. Yeah, absolutely. What's up, Denny?
This is what everybody was asking.
Okay.
Here's the difference for the schedule.
Oh,
Start off being able to make 50. Fourth payout 2,500, and then payout 3,500.
wow, there you go. Can't ask for anything better than that.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. This is different. Or when you get to the fifth payout, 500.
Zachary, you can't get excited over basketball this early in the season. Come on, really? Are you kidding me?
Mr. X, it stops once you hit.
Hmm.
One core.
Is that right?
Or you can only probably take out $1,000 each.
See this? Beautiful. Look, see?
Mhm.
Great job, Jeffrey. Great job, brother. It's hard to be. How could you like basketball this early in the season? Really? Oh my God. S&P's dropping here. Nasdaq dropping. 15's really into a stone wall here. Again, if you look at the negative MACDs on the 60-minute time frame, this is what's really going to haunt the market tonight here. You can see these negative MACDs on the 60. These 15, these 60s are getting overbought. These 60s roll over. Look, good night, Irene, on the market. Denny, you see what I just sent you, Denny? Yeah, I made that for you.
I think I gotta send it to Ben.
I asked Luke. Luke. I sent it to Luke, but he didn't reply. He's very busy, man.
What do you think the market's gonna do for the rest of the week?
Well, you got some economic numbers coming out, supposedly. See, how do I enter? You got to be kidding me. Um, 7 United. Bear flag on the 30-minute Nasdaq. Yeah, I think so. I think they're gonna roll over.
Phone, open up on your computer, open it up on your TV. Here to spread education.
I agree. It's also learning. And look at these. Look at this market. I'm telling you. Look at this. These 60s are going to roll over, and it's over. Bye bye S&Ps. Bye bye Nasdaq. Gold just dropped 3 again. Nacho, was that some call on the opening? Yes, I'm Armenian as well. Correct. If you're new, if you want to have a 5-day free trial, please sign up for the. There's a link there. S&P's kabooshed. '08 down to '08 and 3/4, just dropped 14. Nasdaq just got kabooshed, 58 down 70. Gold just dropped 4. Oh, they're finished.
Even someone knows you.
Who?
7 unit.
I don't remember.
He used to subscribe.
Who's that? What's if you are, just text me 914-500-7484. Look at him get kabooshed, Denny. Oh my God. I would take a scalp long here on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, if the Nasdaq gets down to the 55, 75 range, S&Ps, if they get down to the 87.5, 92.5 range. The 30s reversed to buy here. Well, actually, you know what? Let me cancel that. Erase that long. Forget it. I cancel. What do I think of order flow trading? I don't think of any order flow trading.
I'd rather not do that. Simplify.
The sound effects make you laugh. Makes me laugh too. We got to figure on the bull though. The bull sounds like a dying cow. Good job, Andrew Knapp. Andrew, when are you gonna come over and hang out with me again, Andrew? Oh, wait till these 60s reverse. Oh my God, they're gonna get kabooshed. My God. Anybody new here today? Again, please click on the link. For the 5-day free trial, okay? If you guys are interested. Walk Trader, how are you? All right. Where do I see the gold drop for? I'm looking at the 5 minute time frame on gold, and you can see that that's the S&P. But we were calling shorts on gold before here. Right here, gold just hit the 35 level again. You should have shorted this gold again. Gold just dropped 5 from the prior bar. You see that right there when you hear me say that? How much you up? Can't be $30. I'll kill myself. How much you up?
One micro.
What are you scaling in?
Huh?
On the gold short, on the gold you should have went like 1148 or something. Gold scaled up. It ran like 3 into the range, 4 into the.
112, and they.
Oh, you did. All right.
Profit right away. So fast.
Well, okay. All right.
Oh, I'm out.
Gold just dropped 6. Okay. Your goal is to try to make 100 to 200 a night here. So then step it up bigger then.
Yes, sir. Okay.
All right.
Got the blessing.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying. You do 1 micro. Oh my God. Gold just got caboose. $6. Again, remember, gold is negative on the 30 and 60-minute time frames here. Oh my God, look at this gold. Anybody short the gold above 34.5 again? We had it here, we had it here. I missed it here. Just gonna leave the gold up. Anybody? Come in, Manila. Oh my God almighty. Well, I think the market's gonna get caboosed. Very quiet now. Hard to do anything. Good night, Andrew. Yo,
More giveaways?
let's do some giveaways.
ADJ. Hey, there he is.
Oh my God, look at this gold.
Amar Munoz.
These S&Ps get down to the 87.92 range. Nasdaq gets down to the 53.73. I look to take a scalp long. Get one more push here.
Here you are. Hey, pump.
Oh my God, look at this gold. Gold's down $9. S&P's, Nasdaq. Nasdaq's down almost 90 off the highs. Mikey
Wait,
Jacques.
this who's this not here? Here, chat.
There you go. SP4 is in the house. SP4 is in the house. Look at this S&Ps. Oh my God, down 18. Huh? What?
Good thing I
I
got
see
it.
USB.
Trade them.
Sam Weir. Milton, are you here? Hey, Milton's here.
Melon's in the house. Oh. Oh my God, look at this gold drop.
Price.
Gold's down $12 off the high.
Longer.
What are they asking?
At the price. There you are.
Nasdaq, you could take a scalp long anywhere between the 45 and 65, just very small. I still think these 30s are gonna, these 60s are gonna roll over. But if you want to take a scalp long only, 15s.
Martin, ACA. Yeah. All S 096.
There goes the Nasdaq. There goes the S&Ps. Boom, kaboom. Last trade. There you go. Gold just got absolutely slaughtered like sheep in the night. Gold's down 615. Look at the S&P and Nasdaq on a little scalp long, Denny. That's it. That's it. That's it. Beautiful.
Congrats, Paul.
Oh my God! Look at this gold. Gold's down almost 18. Anybody get the long on the Nasdaq or S&Ps? Nobody. Gold's down 6, 7 points. How about gold's down 17, 18? Yeah, I see him. I see him. I see him.
Okay, going once. So many people missed out on cows.
Good job, Lev. Good job, Brinks. Good job, Jeffrey. Nice little scalp long there. Gold just rallied 4. Bought it. How do you join next time? When you join, how do you join? Then he gives a period of time where you guys got to sign in.
Or 15 to 30 minutes. Sign up. Right. Now, the last. Mr. Are you here?
Kaboosh, kabooshum. Oh my God, people are brutal. Uh oh, he says I'm here now. 5 years ago. All right. All right, everybody. We got a couple minutes. How many more we got? All right. Very quiet here tonight. Very. I mean, look at this kabooshing on the gold. You heard me nothing but say short, short, short the entire time, not long, long, long.
We had about 75.
There you go. We still got to get these numbers up. We didn't even hit 500 tonight. We got to get that. That's crazy. Here we go. Look at now. Gold now. Gold goes to 15. If you want to take
Faster, mister. Give it to us one time.
this gold gets down to the 07 80 1580.
All right. Next is.
Then you got to short the bounce, Jeff. Or anybody.
Mr. 21. Hey, Mr. 21. going to be.
What a cabooshin. 20 handles on the S&P. Nasdaq's down over 110 off the highs.
Hey, Barbosa the Great asked.
Get out of these longs, Jeff. Get out of these longs on the gold. If your boy hit 1580, I don't know if you got it. If not, cancel. It's getting late. In and out.
Cancel it.
Nasdaq. No, I told you these 60-minute time frames were going to kaboosh them. I told you the 60-minute time frames on the Nasdaq and S&P were going to get kabooshed. All right, everybody. I think that's a pretty quiet day. We didn't nice shorts. We were calling shorts, and the Nasdaq a bunch of time, bunch of shorts on the gold. Then I'll call you right after this. All right, everybody. I'll see you all tomorrow night. Expect the volatility really to start picking up here. Oh my God! Look at the S&Ps. Absolutely kabooshed. Do I need to enter the stream to be automatically selected? You have to sign in, correct?
You have to.
Rockstar, what do you mean you can't hear after the first night? Hey, Aaron, have a great night, everybody. All right, here goes the gold. Jeffrey making new lows. I told you gold will go to 15. Jesus, Lord God. Gold just dropped 20. S&Ps, good Lord, just dropped 24. Nasdaq just got the guy who bought the Nasdaq at 24,958. He jumped.
Jump ship, huh?
He jumped head first. Okay. Good night, everybody. Hey, and I want to say thank you, a big shout out to Denny here. Really, good man, served our country. Good man here every night, doing the best here. Okay, for everybody. All right. And you should get a little bit of a bounce here on the S&P and gold, Jeff, or anybody trading now. Should get like a little scalp long up here. There goes the gold. And, again, kudos to Denny, really. Salt of the earth. Thank you for all the time and effort putting into this and taking the time to, put the names in for the giveaways, and My Fund the Futures for doing the giveaways. Over 750 since we've been doing this, okay? All right, everybody. Have a great night. Get ready for more volatility tomorrow. Denny, have a great night. And again, thank you, Aaron, from my main man, Aaron from Hawaii. Okay? And that's it. I'm exhausted. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. Have a great day trading. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. There goes the gold.
Have a good night.